Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to protect an Excel sheet with a password so no one can edit your data without permission. It's super easy and I will walk you through step by step. So here, let's say for example, I have data that it's private and I don't want somebody just to access it. Or when I send to somebody, they have to have a password for them to access this access file so that if there is any information that I don't want to leak out there, I will use the password to do that. Or if you're storing your Excel files on cloud and you find out that somebody can hack into your website and also get that information, you need the passwords to secure your Excel data to make sure that nobody can just easily access your data. So for you to do that, once you have your data entered in your Excel sheet, you'll go to this section up here, the tab file. So click on the tab, then you'll go to this section where there's info. Once you click on info, it will take you to this display where you have protect workbook, inspect workbook, manage workbook, and browser your option. So you'll go ahead and click on protect your workbook. Once you click on that, it gives you different options here. Always open on read-only, encrypt with a password, protect current sheet, protect workbook structure, restrict access, add a digital signature, and also mark as final. So we are interested with encrypting our Excel sheet with a password. So you'll go ahead and select that option. Then it gives you this option. Then make sure you don't put an easy password on your Excel sheet because it can be cracked so easily. So I'll go ahead and type the password that I want to use. Then once done typing, then you click OK. Then you can also retype the password to make sure that it's the correct one. Once you're done like that, your document will be locked with a password. So let's say, for example, I go back to where I stored my information. So then once you're done saving it, you just go ahead and save it, saving your document like that. So let's say, for example, go back and you want to access your Excel sheet again. Let it take some moment to open. So once it open, I want to see if it will give us a password here. Yes, it has given us a password. It says start analyst formulas protected file. So I have to input the password for me to open up that file. So the password is back here again, and we have opened up our file and it looks like that. That is easy. You have just learned how to lock your Excel sheet with a password. So if this helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Got any question? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.